Okay, so we're going to look at just a really quick overview of adding and subtracting. You would have done this in primary school a lot, but let's just go over a few new terms you might learn about. So when we're adding natural numbers, you're going to hear a lot of the time the word sum. So when we add two things together, so 7 plus 3, let's say, and we get 10, 10 is the sum of 7 and 3. So when we add two numbers together, the number we get is the sum of those numbers. And let's just say 7 minus 3 equals 4. 4 is the difference. So 4 is the difference between 7 and 3. So they're just two different words that you're going to come across, sum and difference. So find the sum of whatever numbers, or find the difference between these two numbers. So you're going to hear that a good bit. Let's just take a number line and just, in case you're confused on how to add and subtract, just a quick look at it. Let's go 15, 16, 17. So if I said, figure out what 16 plus 3 is, you'd go to 16 on here and you'd jump 1, 2, 3. So that's plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, and we end up at 19. And 16 plus 3 is equal to 19. So in the same way you can do subtraction, but just backwards. I'll just do another one really quickly. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And say we had 14 minus 2. So we go to 14, we go back 1, and we go back 2. So that's minus 1, that's minus 2. We get to 12. So 14 minus 2 is 12. Those are very basic examples. Obviously you can use your calculator to do these kind of easy sums, but it's just good to have another method to do these things. So the main thing I want you to take from this video is the word sum and difference. So when we're adding two things, if I ask you to find the sum of 16 plus 3, it's the same as asking you to find 16 plus 3. If I ask you to find the difference between 14 and 2, you would have to take 2 away from 14. So those two are probably the most important words that you need to learn.